Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico Magazine. And welcome to episode 46 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week we're heading up to Santa Fe to eat lunch at Cafecito. Steph is whipping up some gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches. But first, we're going to do a PSA. Restrictions are starting to loosen up in our state and restaurants are opening up to dining in. We want to remind everyone that the public health order is still in effect and to be patient with your servers and restaurant staff. So while you're enjoying your meal, be aware that the restaurant staff is doing their best and that the customer is not always right. So now we're going to do this. We're going to do a PSA.
I have not eaten today.
Okay, so we're gonna have lunch here at Cafecito here in Santa Fe. It's in the
Baca Rail Yard
District. So we're excited about this. We love this place.
Oh my gosh, that looks incredibly decadent and huge.
It is delicious. There you go.
Oh.
You've made a good decision too.
Yeah.
The lomito is one of the most popular sandwiches.
Okay, so this is what Steph got. She got the steak Milanese. What is it called?
It's the beef.
Beef Milanese.
Grass-fed.
Grass-fed beef. This is what I got. I got the steak sandwich. Mine was called, I forget. But it's a steak sandwich.
This is the beef milanesa, which is our Argentinian dish here at Cafecito, which is owned by some folks from Argentina. This looks pretty amazing with this mushroom gravy. It's grass-fed beef, mashed potatoes. Rich, decadent, yummy. There's no way I'll eat all this. Walt will get his bite.
Mine is called the Lomito Completo. Lomito Completo. Or Completo. It's the Lomito Completo. And mine's a steak sandwich with a fried egg on top. So, what? As soon as I bite into this, that egg's gonna break.
Yep. Look at the drippy, 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 drippy.
Good. Oh, look at that, dripping on my hands. I'm glad I washed my hands. Okay, I didn't realize this, but there's ham in there too. So it's got steak, it's got ham, it's got eggs, it's got cheese. What? This thing's awesome.
Okay, so the grain issue is out. If you haven't picked this up yet, it is a great issue all about different grains around New Mexico. And one of our stories is about Wild Leaven Bakery up in Taos, and they make fabulous naturally leavened bread. And they sell it all over New Mexico. There's many ways you can get it, but we've got ourselves a sourdough rye and we've got a sourdough straight up sourdough. So we are going to make grilled cheese. We've been on a sandwich kick lately. We want to keep it simple tonight. So we figured we're just going to feature some of the great products that we have in New Mexico with the wild leaven bread, Mi Young's kimchi, we've got Tucumcari cheddar, and we've got some shaved ham from our Skarsgard CSA. So I'm going to head to the stove and grill up some sandwiches. Okay, so there's not a whole lot to making a grilled cheese, but the one thing I can say is that I like my bread toasted on both sides. So I toast the inside of my bread before I start the outside. So we will do a little toasting. Dip it in the butter. Butter for the other side here. Okay, so I'm flipping. Now the inside is toasted and it will help my cheese melt quickly, just perfect. And then, this may sound strange, but maybe not. Maybe some of you do this, but I am going to do kimchi. That on our cheese. Add that, and then you can always just let it sit and wait, but I actually have this fancy little smushy lid, and this helps hold the heat down and melt the cheese faster. I am going to pull this one and just set it back here to stay warm, hopefully a little bit next to this. And I'm gonna start on Waltz, and then we're gonna give them a try. So I've started Waltz sandwich, and now I've got my Tucumcari green chili cheddar on. And now I'm putting on my shaved ham. You want more?
Yeah.
Walt's the meat guy. He wants me to lay it on thick. Here are our beautiful sandwiches. We got one with the rye molasses fennel and one with the straight up sourdough. And I thought I would pair this rye one with the Pendejo Porter from Little Toad Creek, because I feel like a deep stout will go well with a deep rye sourdough. So let's give her a try. I love the kimchi. It's like putting pickles on your grilled cheese. It's a good pairing. It's a good pairing. I like it. Now I'm going to try the IPA with Walt sandwich. Guess I'm drinking 2 beers tonight. Because Walt doesn't like IPA or porter. He likes his Pilsners. That's a meaty sandwich. You're going to like that. With the Grumpy Old IPA from Little Toad Creek. Yeah, good pairing. There you go, grilled cheese sandwiches, all local. That's it for this week's episode. Be safe, be well, and be kind.